today I make happy pass happy FM. You know why? You know why? Because it be rain about today we go rain, we go rain for the fantasy dome, we go the whole place go flat like a dawn, me and my fans go swim for the flood inside. We go swim like tilapia. Hey, see, we run. I'm hearing the advice because I be humble boy. So you know, meeting make your love for me. We my mother make cocoa. You know, be cocoa. Face the wall. Gigi. So I don't know which I make a chop first before the show. I make a chop the jollof first. People were saying that Dickie, why didn't you bash Wale for going on radio to attack Sarkodie and the rest? No, if you realize, I didn't attack Sarkodie. I'm actually in support of people expressing their frustration. So both of them, they are allowed to express their frustration. My only problem was the celebrities coming in to choose sides because it intensifies the negative energy. If you're a celebrity and you're participating in beef choosing sides, it's like see Ronaldo coming down to play Intercourse Super Zonals. You are too big for that. And now, those who don't understand the video, it shows clearly that you wrote commas remedials. Because if you understand this simple video, how can you understand Sokatwa? How can you understand it? So celebrities, if you choose sides in a beef, you are splitting your own fans. Ghana celebrities there, oh, we know beef, you understand the struggle, you understand the street. Who told you there's a fight in Fadama, Nima, Ashama and Co, and the police come, they say whose fault? You think they choose sides? No, when you ask whose fault, they'll tell you it be technical fault. Yeah. Moro the Rain album, 20th October, Big Glow Music Fest. Come support your own. I'm Buru Washi.